Hi, welcome back. I'm Dave and this is IT Performance. Today I will be setting up the new Windows 10 build for testing purposes and then doing some quick tests to see if it was worth it, basically. Okay, so let's boot into Windows. And the first thing I'm going to do once in there, so it's a very fresh, completely fresh build. I haven't done anything with it so far. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off updates. So this is Windows 10 1709. I don't want the operating system changing or things changing between test runs, so I will pause the updates. So the next thing I'll do is install Firefox. I'm installing Firefox instead of Chrome because Chrome installs updaters and stuff, things like that, and I want to keep the build as thin as possible. Basically, once Firefox is closed, it's closed. Once you close down Chrome, other bits and pieces keep running. Then I'm going to install the video card drivers, and just the drivers. I'm not going to be installing the GeForce Experience. Now, what I'm not going to do is install the video drivers for the onboard video, because I don't want that interfering with the testing. So I don't want those drivers possibly jumping in the way, getting in the way. I just want this dedicated to CPU and the discrete video card that I have in the system. Next to the update chipset drivers. After that, I can start installing the apps. So here's the task manager of my standard machine. With all the bloatware, etc., all the Corsair services, the Killer, Aurora's engine, and it's just sitting there, technically doing nothing, running at 9% CPU and 19% memory. And here is my benchmarking build. The CPU is just sitting there at 0%, not much happening at all, even with the Steam client and stuff installed, and only using 7% memory. So the standard build came in at 907, while my benchmarking build came in at 986. And that is a 9% gain, which is not bad, thanks very much. Well, the 3D Mark time spy test is easily the highest I've ever done. I think the whole process has been a success, and it shows that you really do get a performance increase without all of the bloatware, all of the rubbish that's installed on the machine, by just bits and pieces, by your keyboard to control your lights and mouse, and the lights on your mouse pad, and the lights on your motherboard. So my next step is to start learning to overclock. Haven't done it before. It'll be a journey. Hope you come along for it with me. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, cheers. Bye.